Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop and portable dishwashers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Salon Portable Countertop Dishwasher, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $206.99, this compact dishwasher is perfect for small families living in apartments, dorms, or RVs. It features 7 wash programs, including intensive, baby care, eco, and rapid modes, giving you flexibility for various cleaning needs. The 360-degree triple spray system ensures even coverage, while the PTC hot drying system keeps your dishes odor-free and ready to use. The design is minimalistic yet functional, with dimensions of 16.9 by 17.72 by 18.1 inches and a 5L built-in water tank that eliminates the need for a water hookup. Its lightweight build, 28 pounds, makes it easy to move around, and the touch panel interface is intuitive for quick operation. However, the noise level of 56.3 decibels is slightly higher compared to other models on this list. While the Salon is a great entry-level choice, it does lack some premium features, like advanced drying modes or LED lighting. Still, for its price point, it delivers solid performance and is ideal for consumers on a budget who need a reliable, portable dishwasher for everyday use. At number 4, we have the Eohomi Mini Portable Dishwasher, priced at $274.76. This compact yet versatile dishwasher is a great option for small homes, RVs, and boats. With its 5-liter built-in water tank, you can opt for manual filling or connect it to a faucet using the included hose. It boasts 6 wash modes, including baby care/heavy-duty mode, which operates at a high temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thoroughly cleaning baby bottles and greasy dishes. The Eohomi's design is sleek and functional, featuring dimensions of 16.83 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, and the ability to clean over 30 dishes in a single load. It has a drying mode that includes 60 minutes of hot air drying, followed by 72 hours of ventilation to keep your dishes odor-free. The LED touch panel and interior lighting enhance usability, making it easy to monitor the wash process. Its noise level is impressively low at 40 dB, making it one of the quieter models on this list. While its performance is solid and its drying features are advanced, the Eohomi dishwasher is slightly heavier, 28.6 pounds, and lacks some premium build materials like stainless steel racks. However, its eco-friendly design and ENERGY STAR certification make it perfect for environmentally conscious users. Taking the 3rd spot is the Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher, priced at $254.99. This ultra-compact model is ideal for users with limited kitchen space, boasting dimensions of 17.13 by 16.53 by 17.24 inches. It features 6 wash programs, including normal, rapid, and steam cycles, as well as an air refresh mode that helps keep your dishes fresh and dry. The high-temperature hygiene mode heats water up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for heavy-duty cleaning or sanitizing baby bottles. Design-wise, the Comfy dishwasher is lightweight and portable, with a sleek black finish and a touch panel interface. Its 360 degrees dual spray system ensures thorough cleaning, while the see-through window lets you monitor the process. The built-in water tank eliminates the need for a hookup, adding to its flexibility. However, its noise level of 62 dB is slightly louder than some competitors, which might be a concern for noise-sensitive users. Overall, the Comfy Mini Dishwasher offers great value for its price, with features that cater to both everyday use and specialized cleaning tasks. Its compact design and free installation make it an excellent option for apartment dwellers and RV enthusiasts seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. Coming in at number 2 is the Comfy Countertop Dishwasher, priced at $269.99. This ENERGY STAR certified dishwasher is designed for medium-sized households with a capacity of 6 place settings and 8 wash programs. Some of its standout modes include baby care for sanitizing children's dinnerware and speed mode, which cleans dishes in just 45 minutes. The heavy mode uses high water pressure and a temperature of up to 68 degrees Celsius to tackle stubborn stains. The comfy countertop dishwasher features a durable design with stainless steel interiors and a sleek black exterior. It measures 19.7 by 21.7 by 17.2 inches, offering enough space to fit up to 70 pieces of tableware, including plates up to 10 inches in diameter. The dishwasher is quiet, with a noise level of 49 dB, making it ideal for homes where silence is valued. Its flexible installation options allow it to be placed on a countertop or fitted into a cupboard. While slightly heavier at 46 pounds, this dishwasher is packed with features that justify its price. Its eco-friendly water consumption and energy efficiency make it perfect for families who want a balance between performance, durability, and sustainability. At the top of our list, taking the #1 spot, is the Novate portable countertop dishwasher, priced at $324. This premium model stands out with its advanced features, including a baby care mode that operates at 167 Fahrenheit to sanitize baby bottles and oily tableware. It has 5 wash cycles, including normal, speed, soft, and fruit modes, catering to various cleaning needs. Its 3-in-1 functionality combines dishwashing, drying, and storage, ensuring your dishes are sparkling clean and odor-free. The Novate dishwasher is compact yet spacious, with dimensions of 16.8 by 16.9 by 18.1 inches, and a double-layer design that accommodates up to 4 full place settings. Its transparent dual-layer glass door and LED lighting allow you to monitor the cleaning process easily. The drying mode includes 60 minutes of hot air drying, followed by 72 hours of ventilation to keep your dishes fresh. Its build quality is solid, with durable plastic construction and a sleek white finish. While the Novate is the most expensive option on this list, its premium features and exceptional performance make it worth the investment for families or individuals seeking top-notch cleaning efficiency, versatility, and reliability in a countertop dishwasher. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.